So how to install the macro? So first of all, you need to install some plugins in Fiji. So you have the README that you can follow. So you click on the README and you have these procedures. So you can install the different plugins. In Help menu, you have this update button, and then you will go to this manage update sites, and you will find some of the plugins you need to install, like Bioforma, BioVoxel, Biomed Group, etc. That is indicated here. Second step is to install some plugins directly in the menu of ImageJ by directly drag and drop these different plugins in the taskbar of ImageJ. So when you have done that, you could directly open the macro, drag and drop the macro, and begin the process of the image. So to launch the macro, you just click Run. Then it will ask you where you want to put the results. So you can select this folder and which image you want to process. So I want to process this image. So the next step is to define which channel is which dyes, which elements. So for that you need to know which is the legend of your image. So in our case it is a CZI, it is annotated in the informations. So we know that, for example, our proliferative cells is the last channels, and the lymphocyte by B is before the last channels. So you can define that by proliferative cells, and that's not used. The other are good. So you can launch this macro with some different parameters. So pre-processings with the Gaussian filters on the threshold for before the segmentation of this proliferative nucleus. And this is a pixel size of the image, which is directly read on the image because this is a CZI. And you can define some positive cells below or above a certain value. And you can use a local contrast to improve the identification of T cells and B cells. And finally, you can also go to the phagocyte interactions with some parameters like mean intensity or mean distance you want to detect on the mean surface also. So you can click OK. Then in this part, you need to define a region of interest, to define the area you want to process, which is this zone, not this zone. So you can say OK, and then the programs will process the proliferative cells in 3D, and from this nucleus you will try to find the other channels to identify the lymphocyte T or lymphocyte B by the membrane staining. So finally you have the segmented image, and the process begins. object by object. So the process is quite long in this case, so you can escape from this. And the results is here. In the result, which is the same name of the image without, you will obtain different files. So first of all, you have the image in TIFF with a band, a black band, that you can use to load the different ROI of the different cells which have been segmented, as you see here. The same ROI set exists also for convex hull, defining only the contour of the cells, not the ring, which is useful for the Sapphire applications. You have also this intensity normalized files, which is the files containing the different intensity and ID objects, localizations X, Y, and Z, the area and other parameters, and the identifications of cells from the intensity above 100. The probability is defined by the contrast local. Above 50% we can define it is positive, and the interaction with phagocyte here. So finally you have also the legend, which has been exported, where you can see for each channels the identifications of the cells. In order to check the results, I developed a montage that you can see here, where you can zoom for each cells which have been segmented from the nucleus here, proliferative cells, and the DAPI you can see here. So for example, you can check that each cells has been well segmented or not. So in this case, for example, you see this object 30, you see that the intensity, the normalized intensity, is above 100, and you see the ring clearly. So you see also the local contrast is very good. It is 83, so this is defined as a positive cells. For the T cell, which is here, you see also that the normalized intensity is above 100. You see clearly that the ring is the intensity is in the ring, and you see also the local contrast is 80, which defines a good cells, and you see the DAPI here.